Yo, what's up, chat? We're gonna be showing you some free tools today to get free Solana. First tool, Soul Incinerator. This is probably the best tool to get free Solana. So first one, you want to connect your Phantom wallet to Soul Incinerator. After that, you're gonna see 5 different tabs: cleanup, tokens, NFTs, CNFTs, and domains. We're gonna be focusing upon cleanup because these are the vacant accounts that give you free Solana. So you want to click on your vacant accounts, cleanup. After that, you want to click confirm, and then your Phantom wallet should pop up with an indicator to get free Solana. Bear in mind, you do need a little bit of Soul in your account to withdraw this, so make sure you at least have 50 to 60 cents in your wallet. And there you go, transaction complete. We have the Soul in our Phantom, and we're all good. The next tool is the Twitter tracker. Most traders use this tool to get coins at a low market cap. And what's cool about this Twitter tracker is it's completely free. If you want to join Lex Discord server. It's going to be linked in the description. I do not recommend joining the VCs, but the Twitter tracker is pretty good for a free one. This is an example of using the Twitter tracker to get a coin. So I saw this coin on the Twitter tracker. I saw 2 coins made out of it. I go to the OG one and I look at how the momentum's going. If the coin's not doing well at the start, I don't really want to invest into it because it does not have motion. But that's about it, guys. If you guys want more content, just like and subscribe. Also, if you guys want to, support me, use my Bullx and Nova link in description. Thank you, guys.